How's it going, everybody? Today we're gonna create some commercial and theatrical headshots with only 2 V-flats and 1 modifier. Let's go. When starting out with portrait photography, it's very easy to get wrapped up in complex lighting setups. You'll see plenty of breakdowns with lights, flags, color gels, and even haze machines. Anyone can get overwhelmed with all of this new information, and therefore it's very hard to learn. For beginners, I recommend you keep it simple. You don't need a ton of equipment for quality results. You can really learn how to master portrait lighting and save your bank account with only 2 V-flats and 1 single light modifier. For this shoot, I will be using a Flashpoint Explore 600 with a 48-inch octabox for my key light. And these are V-flats. They're essentially a light modifying tool constructed out of foam boards. You'll use the white side of the V-flat to add soft, fill light to your subject or scene, and you'll use the black side for negative fill. The V-flats I use are from a company called vflatworld. I love these because of how compact they are. Like most photographers, I didn't start out with a huge studio space, so being able to fold these up and pack them away is awesome. They even fit into the backseat of your car for travel. With these simple tools, let's shoot some headshots. We'll be capturing both light commercial looks as well as darker theatrical headshots by adding and subtracting our fill light. Let's go. Okay, here we are at the first setup. So we're gonna get something more commercial, a little bit lighter. So we're trying to eliminate as many shadows as possible. So here's what I've done with the 2 V-flats. I've turned this one into a little bit of a table. I folded it down. I've feathered the light. It's a 45-degree angle coming in from the side. And we have the second V-flat in the back, reflecting white light back in this direction. If the light's strong enough, we might even be able to get a little rim light bouncing back from that light. And we'll see how it looks. Okay, here we are trying out the theatrical look with the V-flats. So we're sticking with 1 light, and I didn't even move the direction of this light. We're still keeping it very, very feathered. We flipped the back V-flat to black, and the side V-flat is also in black. So essentially he's in just a little box of black walls. So that's going to add as much shadow as possible to the side. So I'm hoping to get some classic Rembrandt lighting, especially at the position he's in right now. You'll notice the triangle over here on his left cheek. And yeah, let's take some pictures. Here's the 2 images from our session side by side. Notice the soft, flattering quality of light in our commercial shot. The V-flats really filled in all of our shadows and created even light wrapping around our subject. And in our theatrical shot, we use the negative fill to capture Rembrandt lighting. This brings out a dramatic, edgy vibe that's perfect for this style. Once you've mastered the 1 light setup, you can start to incorporate a second and maybe even a third strobe into your portraits. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and ring that notification bell on the way out. Thanks again, we'll see you in the next one.